Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome also. This is a channel where I show you how to trade, and I show you a lot of things, and I've taken a challenge to take one account from 500 euro to bring it up as much as I can. So this I'll give you a backstory. This account I created a few weeks ago. Then I started trading with it last week, and now it's going somewhere slowly, Now, so let's get started. I'm going to be showing you how to take any losing trade which you're about to lose, or you think you're going to lose it, then give it another chance. Okay, so this is very, very important. So make sure you watch this video and try to understand and follow exactly what's happening here, because this can actually save you a lot of money and also give you a possibility of giving you a better profit. Okay, like everything, there's always a catch. Okay, so let's watch this example which I have on the screen for you. So I opened this trade sometime today, and I'm using it as an example. Okay, I still have confidence in this trade. I know the broker has taken some fees, so this trade is not doing so bad. But the thing is this: the amount of the investment is very, very small. It's only 50 euro, and if you think about it, this Bitcoin gold, it costs like 6,000 euros. Okay, so and I'm putting 50 euro in. So this is very, very important. So when something costs 6,000 euro and I'm putting 50 euro, it has a very small margin of exhausting that 50 euro very quickly, because if the ticker moves slightly up, and then bam, the game over, so that's why a bigger amount of investments per trade is actually profitable. But I've taken a challenge that I'm going to take this 500 euro account to bring it up, using the signals like I have on the Telegram, using that service, using news, and also sharing everything live on the YouTube channel. Okay, so now I just want to clarify on 50 euro versus the 6,000 euro Bitcoin gold value. Okay, so I'll give you an example. For example, let's say if you want to buy a car. How much is a car? You're buying a car for, let's say, $10,000. Okay, now let's say you want to make an investment in for that car. Okay, so you're gonna say, okay, this car costs $10,000 and I'm gonna put in $100. Okay, now that car is on sale on the market. Okay, and its price is moving up and down. So how much have you put in? You've put in $100. Okay, so if you've put in $100, and if the price, there are more buyers. Okay, there are more buyers in the market. Some people are saying, oh, they'll buy it for 10,100, 10,200. So the price is increasing. Yeah, okay, simple. So if you've put in $100 and the price is increasing, okay, so your $100, you're gonna lose out on this bet to say that the car will be sold for 6,100. Okay, so but what happens, the price surpasses, you've probably done a downward of 5,900. Either way, it doesn't matter. But what the point is that when the price of the car reaches 10,100, you lose your amount. And that's how the forex industry and cryptocurrency and the stock market, that's how they work. They work on market prices. So what this is exactly the same thing. I hope you understand with my example. So I put in 50 euro for 6,000 euro trade. But when the price increases or decreases, so I'm doing a sell trade. So I'm saying the price is going to go down. But then it doesn't go down, it goes slightly up, 50 euro mark up, then I lose the trade. Okay, and that's why bigger amounts are better to trade with. But in my channel, I've taken a challenge to take this account, 500 euro account, trade small and then trade big later. Okay, so let's see how I do. Now, so what I can do is, right now I'm losing 40 euros from my 50 euro investment. Now some of them of the money is gone to fees. Okay, we know that. So what I can do to save this trade, to save it so I don't hit the 50 euro mark, okay, because I've lost like 32 and the price is jumping seriously. Like it was 40 now, then 32 later, and this is jumping. Okay, so these jumps, as soon as it hits 50, I'm out. And to save that, what I can do, simply, there's an option there. Now, not all brokers have this amount, this feature, but here I can click on increase trade amount. So when I click on that, it's going to ask me how much money I want to add in. So I want to add in 50 euro. Okay, so that means I'm going to convert my 50 euro trade, okay, which was started before. The price was over here, okay, and I say it's going to go down, but it's actually gone slightly up like this. It's going like that, like, okay, it's going, but it's not going either way. It's just like, you know, in the air. But I just want to save it that if it doesn't go slightly more higher and then I lose the trade, okay, and then I have to start all over again. I've paid fees to start the trade, I've spent time to start the trade, you know, I've done all these things. So the best thing for me to do is do a add another buffer, another 50 euro buffer, and then I can watch, I can see, okay, if it is again, say I've added in 50 and made it 100 euro trade, and I'm losing 70 euro, I can add another buffer, hopefully. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to add in another 50 euro, so I'm going to hit this button there. Okay, so something happened. We've added the 50 euro in our trade. Let me see where the trade is gone. Let me just find that. So there's the trade. Okay, so what's happening now? It was 50 euro. Now it's 100 euro trade. Before it was minus 30, but now it's minus 60 or 55. But in there, I've added a buffer. It went from minus 30 to minus 55 because broker takes fees every time we trade. Okay, so it doesn't mean that something is wrong. It's normal. You have to wait it out for the price to go in either direction, okay, and then you make a profit. Now I am going to wait for this trade to convert, hopefully, and then I will give an update. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the next coming up videos I'm going to trade more using this account. I'm going to tell you exactly how to use the news and use the charts properly. I'm going to explain you how signal system work, okay, and I'm going to talk about all these kind of things in the next coming up video. Okay, so keep watching and I will see you next time.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.